Thinking of opening a Bank of America checking account but want to skip the branch line? Good news, the entire process can be done online in just a few minutes. If you're wondering where to even start, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's walk through it. The online application is designed to be straightforward, but having your documents ready is the key to a smooth experience. First, gather your information. You'll need your social security number, a driver's license or state ID, and a debit card or account number from another bank to fund your initial deposit. Now, for the steps. Navigate to the Bank of America website and find the Open an Account section. You'll browse the checking account options, like Advantage Banking, select the one that fits you, and click Open Now. Then, it's just a matter of filling in your personal details, agreeing to the terms, and funding the account. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Be meticulous with your personal information. A simple typo in your SSN or address can trigger a manual review, turning a 10-minute process into a days-long wait. Double-check everything before you submit. Just like that, you're equipped to open an account from the comfort of your home. It's all about convenience and getting you started quickly. Now I'm curious, what's the main feature you look for in a checking account? Is it the ATM network, the mobile app, or the rewards? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.